In today's fast-paced world, dietary habits often lead us through a maze of confusion towards health issues and nutritional gaps. Amidst this chaos, celery emerges as a green hero, largely overlooked yet brimming with nutrients we crave but seldom consume. This humble vegetable, with its crisp texture and refreshing taste, holds untapped potential to fortify our health, veiled by common dietary myths. As we embark on a journey to unpack these dietary dilemmas, let's bring the value of celery into the spotlight. Discovering its role as a nutritional powerhouse, we'll see how celery can bridge the gaps in our daily nutrition, transforming our approach to health and well-being. Delving deeper into our quest for a healthier life, celery calls for attention among the unsung heroes of our diets. Beyond its crunchy appeal and status as a soup stock starter, celery distinguishes itself by its rich content of vitamin K, C, potassium, and folate, promoting overall health and well-being. Unlike other vegetables that might vie for attention, celery stands out with its high water content and dietary fiber, assisting not just in hydration but also in digestion. Its low caloric profile, yet high nutrient density, makes it an exemplary choice for anyone looking to enrich their diet. The myriad health benefits of celery span from reducing inflammation and supporting heart health to facilitating weight loss, underscored by its antioxidant capacity that shields our cells from damage. Embracing celery in our meals unveils its utility not merely as food, but as a force for disease prevention. The coming segments will explore how to seamlessly integrate celery into your daily meals, showcasing its versatility and the profound health benefits it offers. Our journey together has illuminated the untapped potential of celery, setting the stage for transformational dietary choices. Embracing celery goes beyond snacking on its raw stalks. Envision it enhancing your morning smoothies or enriching a comforting soup. The culinary versatility of celery opens up a world of healthy and savory possibilities, from palate-awakening salads to main dishes where it shines as a star ingredient. Incorporating celery into your diet is more than a recipe change, it's a commitment to healthier choices. With every celery-infused meal, you invite a wealth of vitamins and minerals, moving closer to optimal health. As we conclude, remember that your dietary journey is defined by choices. Opting for celery is a choice for vitality and wellness, ensuring every meal nourishes not just the body, but the soul.